Good morning team. Today I want to talk about GMP certification for our organization to ensure the safety and quality of food products. Any ideas on how we can do this?
Firstly, we should know the process on how to get GMP certificate.
Well, I know about the process. Let me explain about that. The first step: define which GMP standard to comply. You can choose either Malaysian Standard 1514 or Codex Alimentarius GMP. Step 2 is understand the GMP requirements. Step 3 is establish the GMP, good manufacturing practices, procedure and documentation. Step 4 is train the employee and implement the GMP requirements in your organization. Step 5. Form internal audit team. Self-check based on GMP requirements. Step 6 is conduct management review to evaluate the internal audit result. Step 7. Engage the certification body for the audit. Step 8. Your organization is awarded GMP certificate. Step 9 is your organization must ensure it conduct an internal audit, self-check, and a management review every year. Step 10 is the certification body will perform an external audit of the certified company every year. To know more about GMP certification, please contact us at 0380806835 and visit our website www.pearlcertification.com.